What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the taillight bulbs on this 2015 Chevy Silverado. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Right, open the tailgate. Want to take these two screws out. I'm going to use this T15 socket and a ratchet. Take that out. Take the lower one out as well. Just grab the taillight. We just want to pull the taillight forward. There's two pins in the back. Just like that. Right there and right there. So these two bulbs are the brake light, running light, and turn signal bulbs. This bulb right here is the reverse light bulb. Grab this light socket and just twist it to the left. Slide the bulb out, and we can pull the bulb out of the socket, just like that. This bulb is a 7444. Slide this back into the socket. Take the socket and reinstall it into the light. Take this socket, twist it to the left, slide it out. Grab the bulb and just slide it straight out. This bulb is a 921. Take the bulb, slide it into the socket, line the socket up, and twist it. Procedure for this bulb is the same as the top one. Line these pins up in the body, press it in, take these two screws, put those in. Take our T15 and a ratchet, tighten these up. Nice and snug. And you can do the same for the other side.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.